Kapasi Alfia, 23 roll number, is present. Sheikh Mahek.
Present, sir.
Wakil Tanzim, 64 present. Narjis Modi, roll number 40, is present. Mandal Maheen, present. Sakina Lakhani. Lakhani Sakina is present. Panjwani Sakina, present. Sakina Barmawala, present. Fatima Zahra Bhojani, present. Mishkat Charnia,
Present.
present. Burani Jannat,
Present.
present. Nakwi Middat Fatima, present. Rizvi Ume Aima, Sheikh Naz, present. Merchant Narjis, Lakhani Sakina, Lakhani Muhaddisa, Lakhani Muhaddisa, present. Sakina, roll number 30, also present. '68 Zaidi, roll number 68 Zaidi is
Present.
present. Roll number 1 Abedi Anam is present. Langda Nabila, roll number 34. Langda Nabila, 34 roll number is present. Meghani Zainab, 35 is present. Sakina Sadiq Ali Lakhani, roll number 31 is present. 60, Sania Zehra Sundrani. Sania Zehra Sundrani, roll number 60 is present.
Good morning,
56,
sir.
very good morning, beta. 56, Rizvi. Rizvi Sania Zehra present. 33 roll number is Lakhani Zainab. Lakhani Zainab present.
Yes, sir.
18, 18 roll number Jamani Anam present. 31 roll number 21 roll number Jumani Narjis present. Okay. So first of all, Jalali Krishnam left. Why we don't left during lecture till end? You have to be present. Khan Afrin. Roll number 8, beta Khan Afrin. You write your roll number 25 is there, okay, no problem. 48, roll number 48, Nakvi Sakina is present. 25, Khan Afrin present, okay, good. See now, one by one I will speak out your roll number. If any roll number is missing, then just you ask me, so I do your present. Roll number 1, 46, 46 Nakvi Naya present. Roll number 1, roll number 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 18, 21, 23, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Then 40, 43, 45, 46, 48, 49, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60,
Sir,
63, 64, 68, 69. And just
sir,
join 37
sir,
numbers. Yes, beta.
सर मेरी पेमेंट हो गई 46.
46 present हो गई हाँ बेटा.
ओके सर.
And 37 also present. 37 Merchant Zahra present. Okay? Clear? Now, regarding your attendance work, just I finished. Now we'll start uh, our lesson number 12. Okay? So, last time just we started, and today I will share one screen with you. So just you see on your mobile screen, are you getting any screen? Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
screen? Yes. On screen, you are getting that is a chapter number
12. Friction.
friction.
Sir, can I read?
Yes. You may start reading work.
Chapter number 12. Friction. You might have seen a driver of a car or a truck slowing down the vehicle at a traffic signal. You to slow down your bicycle whenever needed by applying brakes. Have you ever thought why a vehicle slows down when brakes are applied? Not only vehicles, any object moving over the surface of another object slows down when no external force is applied on it. Finally, it stops. Have you not seen a moving ball on the ground stopping after some time? Why do we slip when we step on a banana peel? Figure 12.1. Why is it difficult to walk on a smooth and wet floor?
Very good. Excellent reading. Congratulations. Clap for this girl. She read out very clearly and properly. Okay, now just I explain this paragraph, whatever reading work is done. And lesson start with this sentence that you might have seen a driver of a car or a truck slowing down the vehicles at the traffic signal. Means whenever traffic signal there is a red light, driver slow down vehicle and at the crossing road stop the vehicle. Okay, this is our observation. Now you should slow down your bicycle whenever needed by applying brakes. Even when you are riding your bicycle, you also slow down in certain situation by applying brake. Okay, in a bicycle or any vehicles there is a brake. By applying brake, what happen? The speed of that object or that vehicles slow down. Have you ever thought why a vehicle slow down when applied brakes? Now see, have you ever think why objects slow down when you apply brake? Means you are riding bicycle, you apply brake and bicycle slow down. Truck driver or bus driver or car driver apply brake and speed slow down. Have you think why this happened? Okay.
Sir, can
What
you
is the
say?
reason? What is the
Because
reason?
of
Okay, anyone can say?
due due to friction force.
Very good. Excellent answer. You are giving answer because we already explained this chapter in a classroom, and this one is the revision work is going on of this lesson number 12. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. That means yes, that means you have the knowledge of this friction. That is why you can give answer fastly. This is the revision work. And when I explain in a class, that time you pay attention. And that is why that things is there in your mind and you are giving answer at a time on the spot just now. Due to friction, these things are happening. Okay. Now see, not only vehicle, any object moving over the surface of other objects slow down when no external force is applied on it. See, not only vehicles, but any object moving on any surface, it will be slow down and finally it will be stopped. Okay, where there is no external force act on it. Okay, condition is what? No external force act on it. Okay, so what happened? It will be stopped finally. Okay, means if you are riding a bicycle and if you are stopped the paddling, it will be stopped after some distance. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. If you are riding a bicycle and then you stop the pedaling. After some distance, it will be stopped. Finally, that bicycle is stopped. Have you not seen a moving ball on the ground stopping after some times? See, one more condition is given here. You have to roll a rubber ball or you can say tennis ball on the ground. So a ball will continue rolling or it will be stop after some time. Stop or continue
Stop.
rolling.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Very good. It will be stop after some time. Why do we sleep when we stop? Why do we sleep when we step on a banana peel? See picture carefully. That boy is running and all of a sudden keep leg on the banana peel and in next picture he fell down. Why is it difficult to walk on the smooth and wet floor? See, a situation is what that boy was running very properly, but whenever he keep leg on the banana peel, due to that smoothness of that banana peel, he slipped on the floor. Okay, fall down when he step on the banana peel. So reason is what? Smoothness. So you have to remember smoothness is effect. Smoothness is effect on the motion. Okay. So we'll continue. Now I'll ask to Bojani Fatima Zara number 4 to read out this activity 112.1.
Activity 12.1. Gently push a book on a table. Figure 12.2a. You observe that it stops after moving from some distance. Repeat this activity, pushing the book from the opposite direction. Does the book stop this time too? Can you think of an explanation? Can we say that say that a force must be acting on the book opposing its motion. This force is called the force of friction. A friction oppose Friction opposes relative motion between the surface of the book and the table.
Very good. Thank you, Fatima Zahra. See, in activities what given, these things you are doing frequently in the classroom. When book is there on your desk, means on the bench, you are simply pushing it. Book move from its position when you are pushed, and after some distance it will be stopped. Okay. So
Yes.
why it stop, not continue moving and fell from that bench? You just simply push, not hardly, simply. Reason is what? That whenever that book is in a motion, there is some other force is acting on the. See, you are pushing, so that is a push. That is one kind of force, muscle force. But on the surface, there is one more force is there, and that force stop the motion, and that force name is only friction force. Getting my point? And due to the friction force present in the surface, book stopped. Getting point? This one very clear?
Yes.
Friction force present in the surface, it is always opposed direction of motion. Okay, means reduce the motion. Due to friction, reduce motion. So that is why you written that friction oppose relative motion between the surface of the book and the table. So very good, Fatima Zahra. Now I will ask to Burhani Jannat to continue this paragraph and activity 12.2.
Yes, sir.
Burhani Jannat.
You saw that if you apply the force along the left, friction acts along the right. If you apply the force along the right, the friction acts along the left direction. In both cases, the force opposite direction. In both cases, the force opposite the motion of the books. Of the book, the force of friction always opposes the applied force. In the above activity, the force of friction acts between the surface of the book and the surface of the table. Is the friction the sum or the same for all the surfaces? Does it depend on the smoothness of the surface? Let us find out.
Okay.
12.2 Friction.
Okay, wait. Very good. Very good reading. First, I will clear this two paragraph which is given here. Now, see in that above activity 12.1, we notice that if we applied force from the left side, I will show you that figure again. See here force is applied in a figure A from left side. So book is moving on the right side, but friction from opposite side means from right side. Friction comes from the right side. Okay? Force from the left side, friction always in opposite direction means from the right side. Then downside you see the B, figure B, force is comes from the right side and friction comes from the left side. Getting my point? So that is mentioned here. Second thing is there, friction of all the surfaces same or not? Ask the question. Is the friction same for all the surfaces? What we have to say? It is depend on the smoothness of the surface? Yes. Friction always depend on the type of surface. What type of surface is there? Clear? And that is why, we heard sometimes that whenever you are traveling, driver talk to the person or passenger that road is very dusty, road is not good, not smooth, and that is why it takes more time. We cannot drive vehicles fast. Am I right? Like that driver explained, the road is not good. Okay, there is some digs are there on the road.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but whenever the road is a very good highway road is there, expressway is there, 4 line, 6 line like Mumbai to Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi, like that roads are there, which are very good in a surface. Okay, surface is good one. So vehicles can run very fast. Vehicles run very fast means what? Friction is less. And vehicles run slowly means what? Friction is more. Means smooth surface is there, friction is less. And rough surface is there, then friction is more. Okay? And friction is more, means speed is less. So let's we do this. Janat, you only read this 12 activity 12.2.
Read Kadu 46.
No, but roll number will give chance to all.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 5, Jannat, complete this activity 12.2.
Yes, sir. 12.2 Factorize affecting friction. Activity 12.2 Tie a string around a bike.
Bike
Pull the
not
brake
brick,
by a
brick,
spring
brick,
balance.
bike not
Fix
brick. Tie a string around a
tie
brick.
a tie a string around a brake. Pull the brake
Bike
by
not
a
brick.
spring balance. Fix 12.3
Bike not brick. Brick, B-R-I-C-K, brick.
brick brick
Okay,
by
good.
a spring balance. Fix
Hello,
Yes, sir.
read.
Fig 12.3 You need to apply some force. Note down the reading on the spring balance. When the brick just begins to move, it gives you a measure of the force of friction between the surface of the brick and the floor. Fig 12.3 A brick is being pulled by spring balance. Now warp a piece of polythene around the brick and repeat the activity. Do you observe any difference in the readings of the spring balance in the about two cases? What might be the reason?
Very good. Reading work. You continue.
For this difference, repeat this activity
Sir.
by wrapping a piece of jute bag around the brick. What do you observe?
Okay. Thank you. Now
Sir,
see
can I
what
read?
given. 1 minute, beta. Now roll number 7 will be ready, but first I will explain this activity, what said this activity. Now I want to get the information from you. Your side I want the answer from Burmawala Sakina, roll number 7. What we learn from this activity? Burmawala Sakina.
Yes, sir.
Then you only have to read about this spring balance.
Yes.
What is the information is there in activity 12.2? Burmawala Sakina. What is this activity says? Don't know? Are you there?
Sir, I am there, but I don't understand this activity.
Yes, what? Means you are not paying attention. Please be attention. I give you
I
time.
am giving
Meanwhile, Charanya
attention.
miscut. But you don't know? What is this
Yes.
activity?
I did understand this activity, sir.
Whatever, whatever portion you understand, you explain. You say
Yes.
just
सर इन दिस एक्टिविटी हम ये एक्टिविटी में है ना स्प्रिंग बैलेंस के बारे में बात की गई है
saying in this
Right or hello? Sir,
हाँ
my
जी बोलो।
voice is and वो
सकीना
ना
बर्मावाला,
Yes.
hello.
Yes.
Sakina, are you going to say about this activity or not?
In this activity,
Activity 12.2, what is this activity?
sir, your voice is
What we have to
balance.
do?
It is about spring balance.
Spring balance, but what to do with the spring balance?
You need to.
affecting your friction.
See, I want 1 minute. Listen me carefully, all the students, whenever explanation is going on from here, someone is reading, then I am explaining, that time you be carefully listen it, what is there. Explanation is going on. Because like that, now in this online lecture, I will ask to any student, not only Sakina. Sakina's turn is there, that's why I asked to Sakina. Any girl, I will ask, and that time she has to give answer. Okay? Hello, okay?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Now say again, I repeat, I only explain this 12.2 activity, what to do in this activity. Then I ask to Sakina only and Mishka, they both will repeat one by one, same activity meaning. Okay? In
Sir,
this activity, what happened? We have to take one brick. We have
I
to
know.
take one brick in that. Hello? Can you
Yes.
hear me clearly? My voice is
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then you switch off your microphone and listen me carefully till I complete this activity explanation. See, in this activity, you have to take one brick. See, a red color is done, or that red color is brick that we use for constructing building. Okay? And this brick we have to tie up with a thread. You have to take one long thread, at least 1 meter long thread you have to take, and tie up this thread with the brick, and other end of the thread you attach a spring balance. Then you pull the spring balance, and when the bricks start moving, you read the reading of spring balance. Okay? Clear?
Sir, I
No,
don't
sir.
understand.
Brick you tie up with the thread, and other end of the thread you tie up with the spring balance, and then you pull this spring balance. See here showing that hand, with the help of your hand you pull this spring balance. What happened? There will be a one situation that this brick is start moving, and that time you read the reading of the spring balance. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now is clear? Clear?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
This much point is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Now you change the situation. You do one change. Instead of only brick, you wrap it, that brick, with the polythene bag, plastic bag. Then again you tie up the thread and pull it. And then you do reading. What reading is there in a spring balance? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then again you do the same activity by keeping guni bag. Guni bag over this brick. Okay? And you see the reading in a spring balance. What reading you will get? Now you see all these three situation, simple brick, and cover with the polythene bag, and cover with the gunny bag. You will get the same reading on the spring balance or not? You will get same reading. Hello,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me? You will get same reading.
No.
Yes.
Those who are saying yes and those who are saying no, they both have to give me answer why.
Sir, your
Those who are
voice is
saying yes,
cracking.
my voice is cracking now.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Voice is cracking.
No, sir. Clear voice.
Okay.
Your voice is not coming clearly.
See, when I am saying clearly voice is there and you are saying cracking means what? You search somewhere there is
Yes, sir. Clearly coming. Yes, sir.
a.
Clearly coming.
So those who have clearly voice, they can only say now, oh, you'll get the
Sir,
same
now it's
reading or
coming clearly.
different.
I am here.
Hello, don't do debate about this one, but I want answer. You will get same reading or not?
Okay.
Not.
Not. Very good. Right answer. You will not get same reading because when you cover the brick with the polythene bag, surface becomes smooth. Polythene bag is smooth, no?
Yes, sir.
And gunny bag is rough. So smooth surface is there. When you apply polythene bag over brick, surface becomes smooth and brick will roll means move easily. Brick
Sir.
move easily. Yes.
सर WRAP का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
Wrap means you are eating Cadbury, na? So there is
Yes.
Cadbury is covered with what? Wrapper. WRAP.
Yes, sir.
Now getting
Yes, sir.
same way
Thank you.
when the polythene bag wrapper is there, brick get the less friction and it can move very fast. So reading will get less. But if brick is covered with the gunny bag, a gunny bag is a rough surface, so friction will be more. And it cover more or less distance. Clear? So this was the activity. Sakina, be careful. Now you read this one. Spring balance.
Yes, sir. Spring balance. Spring balance is a device used for measuring the force acting on an object. It consists of a coiled spring which gets stretched when a force is applied to it. Stretching of the spring is measured by a pointer moving on a graduated scale. The reading on the scale gives the magnitude of the force.
Okay, good. Now say very good. Thank you. Now you see spring balance is what it is, a device, and spring balance is there in our science lab also. When our offline lecture will start, I will bring you in a science lab and we will see the spring balance, how it work. I already shown this spring balance to you, but once again I will show you and practically will see the effect. Spring balance used to measure the how forces act on object. Okay, how much forces act on an object that we can know by using spring balance. In spring balance, there is a coil of spring. Okay, spring is used, and this spring is stretched when force is acting on it. If more force is there, spring stretch longer, less force is there, the spring stretch less. And there is a mark, and according to that mark, we can know the force, how much force is acting on it. See here measurement is given, grams, 0, 10, 20, given? Hello?
Yes.
Sir.
So Spring stretch more means more force is acting on it. So this is the spring balance used. Now activity 12.3, I asked to read out Charanya, Mishkat, Fatima.
Yes, sir. Activity 12.3. Make an inclined plane and on a smooth floor or on a table. You may use a wooden board supported by bricks or books. Put a mark with a pen at any point A on the inclined plane. Now let a pencil sail move down from the point. From this point, how far does it move on the table before coming to rest? Note down the distance now. Spread spread a piece of cloth. Cloth
Continue reading.
Cloth over the table. Make sure that there are no wrinkles in the cloth. Try the activity again. Fig 12.4b. 12.4. The pencil sail covers different distance on different surface. Repeat this activity by spreading a thin layer of sand over the table. Maintain the same slope throughout the activity.
Okay, in which case, continue.
In which case is the distance covered
Sir,
the
can I
mean
read?
Wait a
one
minute.
distance covered by the pencil say different every time. Try to reason why. Discuss the result.
Okay, good. Very good reading, Mishkat. Thank you. Now see here one actor, see in this picture you can see that two students are there and both are doing one activity in this picture A. There is a pen and a slope is there. That slope is created by keeping book and one pad. Okay. One book is there and rest of all book is supporting that book, and from that there is a pencil from mark A. Pencil is rolled out or pen is rolled out and it cover distance till some point on the surface. Clear? Now, in this next picture, what they are doing, they are keeping clothes on the surface. Okay? Means they put a cloth on the surface and then roll that pencil power. Now you see figure A and figure B. In which figure pencil power is cover more distance, A or B?
A.
A. In A condition, power cover more distance. Distance cover more means friction is less or more? More distance. Friction is less or more?
Less.
More,
Very
sir.
good. Friction is less. Friction is less
Friction
because
is less.
surface is smooth. Less friction, more distance is covered. And in second figure, what happened? Cloth is there. Cloth is not that much smooth surface, so it cover less distance. Getting my point clear? Oh,
Yes.
time is
Yes, sir.
up. So till this point, we are keeping. Next time, I will give chance to other students also for reading work. How you feel in this lecture? Just you inform in chat box. In chat box, you write how you feel in this lecture. Any new students came, then ask me. Roll number 6 came. Any other students who came late? 44 came. 1 minute.